Aluma-Tow, the patented adjustable aluminum hitch from Uriah Products, offers unmatched reliability and versatility in the towing market with its unique interchangeable system. Say goodbye to multiple heavy hitch mounts and balls rolling around in your truck bed. Our lightweight, rust-free aluminum hitch system takes the guesswork out of towing by providing everything you need to tow trailers, boats, small campers, and more with just one product. Every Aluma-Tow model comes with 3 rust-resistant hitch balls and 2 upgraded Kita-like swivel-locking hitch pins with 4 keys for theft prevention. Not only is it versatile, it's strong too, holding the highest towing capacity on the market at 12,000 pounds. This product line includes 6-inch or 8-inch drops for standard 2-inch receivers and an 8-inch drop model for oversized 2.5-inch receivers. The Premium Ultra model features a black oxide finish with all stainless steel components to make it completely rust-free. And select models feature a convenient carrying case, which can also be bought separately. Plus, our add-on accessories make the Aluma-Tow system even more versatile. With the utility towing hook, pull up to 7,500 pounds with ease. Easily climb in your truck bed while keeping your hitch ball on the receiver, and increase night visibility thanks to the built-in brake light. All Aluma-Tow hitches have been independently tested to meet or exceed J684 towing standards to ensure safety while towing on the road. The Aluma-Tow system from Uriah Products provides you with the valued-added features you need to make your towing jobs simple, quick, and easy so you can get back to doing the things you love. For more information and other videos, visit our website at alumatow.com or find us on social media.